Welcome to Around the World with Softy Safiyah.
And today we have got a big gang, and these are people excited for a new continent. Which continent are we talking about?
Africa.
Africa. But Africa should have an adjective. What kind of Africa? Alright, so we'll introduce the friends first, but let's get me.
Amazing America.
Amazing Africa.
Yeah,
Oh, you went to America. Amazing Africa. What else can we have?
Super Africa.
No, I want something with A. That adjective has to be A. Like awesome Africa. What else can we have?
Outstanding Africa.
That's O.
A.
Alright. Alright, that is what Jumpy said.
Adventurous.
Oh, adventurous Africa. I like it.
The adventurous elephant in Africa.
Oh, adventurous elephant. See, Africa is known for different kind of animals and wildlife and amazing. It has deserts, it has mountains, it has tribals, it has history. Alright, so we'll take adventurous Africa. Thank you. And that is Sweetie for us. How are you?
Fine.
And we have got Munib with us. So what is Munib's?
Marvelous Munib.
Yeah, you are mischievous Munib. Yeah, and marvelous Munib and Softy and Jumpy. So the first country that the friends have chosen, our consultant with us, marvelous Munib has chosen is Niger. Why did you choose Niger?
Because I love that flag.
Okay, what's special about the flag?
It's just like India's flag.
Okay, just like a patriotic team out here, just like India's flag. But what's the difference?
Only the orange circle in the middle.
And what does it replace in India's flag?
Ashoka Chakra.
Alright, the Ashoka Chakra. So all of you curious people, look at Niger's flag, and that's why we're starting with Niger. It's a great, country, but the country's life is very hard. It's not easy to survive in Niger. Niger is a landlocked country. That means everywhere, if you look around, there's Algeria, there's Libya, there's Chad, there's Nigeria, there's Mali, there's Burkina Faso, there's Benin. There is no outlet to coast or sea. So almost 2/3 of Niger is desert. So what do you mean a 2/3? If I have a pizza of 3 slices, how much is desert in Niger? Two slices, right? So 2 is completely Niger.
That we can also not live.
No, that's not. I'm giving an example. But Niger, because it's so hot, it is called the frying pan of the world. Whoa, isn't it interesting?
It's not a flying pan.
Not flying, it's frying pan. What do you do on a frying pan?
It's also like
Yeah, it's like a shear. What do you fry on a frying pan?
omelette.
Egg, omelette. What food?
Vegetable.
Alright, vegetables too. A lot of things we can do on a frying pan. Right. So let me go to Niger and tell you what especially is amazing about it. You know giraffes, the tallest animal in the world?
Yes.
So the largest herd of giraffes. Herd means a group of giraffe, isn't it? What's a group of dolphins called? Interesting.
It's called no. I know it had a
Where do you go to study?
school.
Okay, so fish group is called school.
But it has a name.
Yeah, what's the name?
Pond.
Pod of dolphin. Alright. And what a group of owls called? It's called Parliament of Owls. And that is why all the people in Parliament are the owls. Oh, owls are visionaries, by the way. Alright. It's called Parliament of Owls. And a group of giraffe or a horse is called herd. So the largest herd in the world is found in Mali, in Niger. Niger. In fact, there are almost 200 giraffes. And something amazing about giraffes. What is special about a fingerprint?
Everybody's fingerprint is not same, and if they are twins, then also it's not.
Oh
same.
yes, Marvelous is saying that nobody, even your eyes are not same. Do you know that?
Yeah, I know.
Right? What about zebras?
Zebras, that strip is not.
Yeah, the stripes are not the same. What about tiger stripes?
Not same.
And what about giraffe patches?
No, they're also not
Yes,
same.
every giraffe has a unique patch. No two giraffes are exactly the same. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
Wow. And how does giraffe give birth? They stand and give birth. And imagine a giraffe, if it's 30 feet tall and the legs would be at least 7 feet tall, and the baby falls down, dup.
No, the baby giraffe will be also tall.
No, but it's a baby, it's an infant, it falls down. And when a baby falls down, what could a mama giraffe do?
It pushes it.
It kicks the giraffe. Yes.
It kicks and then when it gets up, so it again then it start walking.
Why do your mama kicks the baby then?
Because they want to teach us how to.
Teaches right there when the baby is born?
No.
Why? You're right. You're right. When a baby is born,
because when baby was born, the tiger lion come to catch.
Yes, the hyenas all around waiting to pounce on the baby. So the mama kicks the baby and said, run first. Then mama licks and kisses, you know. So sometime when your mamas get angry at you, right, don't feel bad. She's only teaching you. Does your mama get angry at you, marvelous Munib? Who gets more angry, mama or papa? Both. Ah, this is a secret you told us. I think you must be mischievous Munib then. What do you think, Softy? Yeah, your mama gets angry at you or papa gets angry? Mama, oh, just because I'm sitting here. Alright, so this is about giraffe. And you know what? There is a tree in Niger. It's a lonely acacia tree. So acacia is the thing. It's the only tree in the entire Sahara desert. There is no tree for 400 kilometers. The only tree is there. This sacred tree, unfortunately, was so special. People used to come, but there was one drunk driver. He was driving a truck, and he did not see the tree, and he banged the truck into the tree, and the poor tree died. The man, nothing happened to the man. So there was only one tree that also died. Actually, there is a river called the Niger River. It's a very, very important river because, of course, it's all desert. Had it not been for this river, this would be, the entire thing would be a desert. And there are two rivers in Africa which is big. Oh, can you tell me one more river's name? Nile. Yes, not Amazon, Nile. And there is one more which is the name of a country with sea in Africa. Chad. Okay, tell me one more. Cyprus. No, it's not Africa. Quickly, with sea.
Senegal. Sahara.
No.
Cape.
No, it's rhymes with Pongo. It starts with C and rhymes with Pongo.
Congo River.
Congo. All right. So the longest river is Nile, then it is Congo, and then it is Niger River.
There is another desert, like Kilimanjaro.
Yeah, there's a different one.
In Egypt.
Yeah, Egypt. All right. And there's one last amazing fact about Egypt is there was a dinosaur found in Egypt, a sauropod. Niger. In Niger, one of the strangest looking animal. And because it's found in Niger, what kind of name can you give? So it is dinosaur and Niger. So what kind of name can you give it?
Nigerian dinosaur.
Nigerian. Okay. It's called Nigersaurus. Alright. So that's all we have got for Niger. Very last quick question. What's the capital of Niger? Come on. It's Niamey or Niamey is the capital of Niger, and that's the first African country. Have a great time. Go visit and see the giraffes in Niger. Alright? Quickly.
And the dinosaur.
And the Nigersaurus.